Hey guys, Tactical Diesel Dad. So finally got my truck back from Custom Trucks Unlimited a couple weeks ago. They sprayed the bumper with Line-X. It looks great. It looks like the rest of the truck now. As you can see, the texture is with the UV protectant is like the rest of the truck. They did a really good job. And the body line, the bumper after that accident didn't line up on the driver's side, so now it lines up. A couple of improvements. It was actually cheaper for me to powder coat the wheels black than fix that wheel. Insurance paid for most of it. And then I wasn't able to do a video, but I switched over to Fox 2.0 shocks. It was time to upgrade my shocks. About 85,000 miles of towing, and I was getting a lot of balance on the highway from the suspension. So obviously that's a safety issue. So definitely, if you got a lot of balance, replace your shocks. And now it's a lot more comfortable. So Fox 2.0 shocks in the front. And then as far as the Ironman All Country mud trains go, bought them last July. I got about a year of use out of them, a little over a year. Obviously do a lot of highway driving. Some trailer towing last year, but I'm not doing tree work anymore. I'm doing commercial energy sales. So right now, the tread in the lowest part is about 330 seconds, and I believe they're at 1930 seconds whenever you buy them brand new. You can look it up. So if you do a lot of driving, you're gonna get about a year, maybe a little bit over a year of use on them. Super soft rubber compound, which is great for off-road use. Not complaining about that at all, but obviously for highway driving, something a little bit more street friendly is going to get a lot more mileage out of it with a little bit harder of a rubber compound. But as far as the Ironman goes, the mud trains, definitely run them if you want to. Nothing wrong with the tire whatsoever. I'm going to switch over to some Firestones, and I'll do a video on that. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the content.